Oh, okay, okay.
You right there, look at it. Drop down. Look at this beautiful Corvette. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Stingray.
1470.
Bel Air is LS though. Real good.
At the Jordan Soccer Complex, 445 Treetop Drive, Fayetteville, North Carolina, 19. Right for your annual charity card collection back sale. June 4th, 2019, from 9 to 6, Jordan Soccer Complex. The evening drawing. Once again, thank you very much for coming out and enjoy the card.
All right, we got our classic Corvette here.
I want to put the power in something, but I don't know.
That's nice though. They ain't looking nice, man. Surprised there wasn't no different rim options or something like that. Same rim. Did they have other rim options? She want the exact same thing. Same thing. Make sure you ain't getting no more attention than her.
Okay, I got different. My mirror plate.
All right, this right here. This is what you call the ultimate car couple right here. When the husband and wife roll like that, that's a beautiful thing. Got an Oldsmobile Dynamic. That's a Cadillac out here. Check it out right there. All right, this right here is that old school muscle right there. Look at that blower right there.
Monday's Memorial Day, and then Wednesday is my non-scheduled work day, and I put in.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I wanted to try to, show up one of those days.
Beastie. Real simple on the inside. Your classic hot rod. Very much. Gotta order some new wires for the thing. I'll catch you later, man.